ng Higaw, Vincent, Corseras, Quintas. Pakitanggal po lahat ng yan at ibigay niyo sa akin. Mayroong malapit sa Buwan ng Lugalia dito. Patay tayo dyan. Haba niyan.
Grupo ng runner. Esta lang sa Roque.
To all players, stop here! Nalalaman ko kapag mahina ang speaker natin. Okay, first fight. Jump ball. Your 16 ball. Number 7, Arte. Pass to number 3. Oh, backcourt.
Ang backward ay kapag
Hello, sound check. 1, 2, 3. May ugo nga. Hello. Hello, sound check. Yeah. PSLB team, number 19 inbound, pass to number 5. Number 5, take shot. Pass to number 19 again. Simbulan, sumalaksa. Hinira, no good. Only number 21, blocked by number 14 at 7, Artes. He's still by number 21, pass to number 19. Foul. Who's foul red? Number 7, Artes. First personal foul, first team foul. Nagugutom ako. Number 20, jump shot for 2 points. Number 18, pass to number 3. Number 3, back to number 18. Pass to number 1. Binigay ulit number kay number 7. Bilit number kay number 7. For 2 points, jump shot. Number 19, Sibulan, pass to number 5. Jump shot, no good. Partida, pinapartidahan sila ni number 7. Anong tawag, Red? Outside lang. Number 20, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 18. Ito pa tama rito. Outside, PSLB 18 ball. Number 5 inbound, pass to number 20. Pass to number 18. Jump shot, no good. Only number 19 the ball, pass to number 1. Still by number 21 pero still pa rin may number 21 ang bola. Number 21 ang TSLB 18 sumalaksak. Sinira. Offensive foul by number 18. First personal foul. Inbound number 1, pass to number 18, back to number 1. Pass to number 7. There's 16. Number 13. Binalik kay number 7 ang bola. Sinira. Tawag ng referee, rebound by number 19. Anong tawag? Foul, number 1. First personal foul. Second team foul. Shoutout nga pala at happy viewing kay Boss Declaro. Number 18. Dribble the ball. Number 18, pass to number 5. Number 5, big shot, jump shot. No good. Only number 1, ang pure 16 ang bola, pinasa kay number 13. Number 13, pinasa kay number, still by number 19. Number 19, pinasa sa outside, pure 16 ball. Shoutout nga pala kay Boss Declaro dyan. Happy viewing. Number 7, Artes. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 20, pass to number 21. Number 21, inangat for 2 points. Number 21. Number 3, inaba na ang bola. Pass to number 1, binigay kay number 13, jump shot. For 2. Remaining time is 6 minutes. The score all 4 in favor of both teams. Number 21, pass to number 19. Sumalaksak, tinira for 2 points. Inbound, number 18. Pass to number 1. Number 1, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 7, Arte. Tinira, no good. Rebound by number 20, pass break, steal by number 18 ng Pure 16 ball. Steal by number 5, CSLB again. Pass to number 18. Number 18, the Senator. Tinira, no good. Number 3, ng Pure 16, binaba ng bola, sumalaksak. Tinira, no good. Uwa pa rin. Itasa kay number 1. Pass to number 7. Alpes. Itasa kay number 3. Oh, steal by number 20. Pass to number 21. Pass break kay number 18. Number 18. Tinira. No good. Number 18 again. For 2 points by Senator. Pinababa ang bola ni number 18. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Pinababa ang bola. Pass to number 1. Number 1, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 20.
Yan dapat ang
Pass to number 21. Number 21. Pinasa kay number 19. For 2 points.
Ito talaga dapat ang trabaho niya.
Time out. Pure 16. Laglaga na ba yan? Ang larong ito ay do or die. This play is brought to you by Robot. Kapag single ka, mag-robot ka. Sigurado magkatagal ka sa banyo. Robot. Inbound number 6, pass to number 8. Number 8, binababa na ang bola. Pass to number 7, Artes. No good! Nakakawa ng foul. Who's the rep? Number 20. First personal foul. First team foul. Two shot. To Pancho. No good. That's one shot to Pancho.
Kailangan ng konti.
1 point. Mula sa tirang Paltro ni number 7 ng Pier 16 team. Inbound number 20. Pass to number 16. Binigay kay number 19. Number 19, piniwala ang bola. Pass to number 20. Number 10, no good. Ang tirang ispat. Rebound by number 19, no good. Nakuha na rin number 8 ng Pier 16 team. Number 8, Jason. Still by number 20. Pass to number 10. TSLB team. Putol yung media sa number 10. Number 19, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 10 ang bola, tinira, no good. Number 8, ang Pier 15, binigay kay number 6, Vignos. Vignos, tinira na for 2 points. Vignos. Pinaba na ang bola ni number 10 ng TSL Belgium. Pass to number 19. Is through by number 7. Number 7, Artex. Pass to number 6, Vignos. Jump shot. Foul. Result? Number 10. First personal foul. Third at second team foul.
Offensive foul na kami.
Offensive foul. Torna. No good. Last one shot to Paltrow.
Stocking yan. Suot yan. Hanggang ano yun eh. Hanggang bewa. Ayun na, by go.
Oh. PSLB team ball. Last 3 minutes and 35 seconds is scored 10-7 in favor of PSLB team. Number 21. Jump shot. For 2 points. Inbound number 14. Pass to number 8. Number 8 pass to number 6. Number 6 Digno. Diniretso na, nilayap. Black then number 20. Number 21, binaba na ang bola. Number 21, pass to number 16. Number 16, pass to number 19. Number 19, pass to number 20. Number 20, ibigay kay number 16, tinira for 2 points. Inbound number 14, pass to number 16. Pass to number 8, Shason. Sinalaksak na. Jump shot for 2. Inbound number 20, pass to number 10. Number 10, dribble the ball. Number 10, Lorenzo. Pinasa kay number 19. Still by number 7, Artes. Pass break to number 6, Digno. Binigay kay number 8, Jason. For 2. Ang hina ng mic natin. Hello. Hello. Good. Number 19, pass to number 16. Binigay kay number 19 ulit. Black by number 7, pass to number 6, Stian. Your 16, binaba na ang bola. Number 16, tumalaksak. Tinira na. No good. Rebound by number 20. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Number 16, jump shot, no good. You know, ano kaya nasa ng Gatorade? Outside. Timeout! PSLB team. Pinauwi ka?
Wawa yan.
Ako, yari ka sa jowa mo rin. Hindi pa sinagot. Sasagutin ko yan, bala.
Hello? Sino to? Ba't tawag ka ng tawag?
Inbound, number 7, pass break to number 14. Number 14, Corsales. Jump shot for 2 points. Number 7, binaba ang bola. Big Dejaro. Pass to number 10. Oh! There's foul by number 7. First personal foul. Inbound, number 14, pass to number 8. Number 8, pass to number 16, Guerrero. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 7, Artes, jump shot, no good. Number 20, pass to outside.
Sino nanalo sa anak ko?
Rebound, number 6. Nakuha ni number 7 ang bola. Dejaro for 2 points. Inbound, number 16, pass to number 8. Number 8, Shason, dribble the ball. Shason, pass to number 14, Corsales. He's killed by number 15, Senator. Pass to number 7, Pineda, no good. Walang tawag. Okay na, outside na. Inbound number 14, pass break to number 7, Artes. Artes, hinawakan ng bola. Last 35 seconds. Pass to number 8, Shaso. Binigyan number 14, jump shot. No good. Last 25 seconds. Humingi ng isa. 20 seconds. Senator, jump shot. No good. Number 8, 10 seconds. For 2 points by number 8, Shaso.
5, 4,
The end of the first quarter. May malaking mata si best friend John. Okay, inbound number 7. Pass to number 16, 15. Pass to number 28, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 15 ang bola. Pass to number 14, Corsanes. Diniretso na. No good. Anong tawa? Foul number 1. Second, personal foul, first team foul. Offensive lang ba yan, Red? Offensive. Walang first, walang team foul. Number 7. Number 10, jump shot for 2. Deharo, 2 points. Number 14, Corsanes. Still, pero nakuha ni number 23, Payawan. Bigay kay number 15. Pass to number 1. Jump shot. No good. Away number, pinasa na kay number 7. Number 7, dribble the ball. Pass to number 15. Bigay kay number 10, jump shot. No good. Outside. Your 16 team ball. Your inbound number 1, pass to number 15. Number 15, pass to number 14, Corsanes. Binigay ka number 23, Payawal. Payawal, back to number 14. Number 14, sumalaksak. Pinangat. Foul! Lakas ni Corsanes. Nakakuha ng foul. Who's foul? Number 7. Second personal foul. First team foul. 1 point. Last 1 shot to Cultural. One point again. Inbound, number 16. Pass to number 7. Number 7, pass to number 10. Number 10, sumalaksak. Jump shot for 2. Inbound, number 23, pass to number 15. Number 15, binababa ng ball. Number 15, dribble the ball. Pass to number 1. Number 1, pass to number 13. Number 13, 8 to shoot. Rosales, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 15. Inangat, nakakuha ng foul. Who's foul? Number 28. First personal foul, second team foul. Gatorade na naman, oh.
May lasa ng Gatorade.
Ikaw. Doon na naman ang punto. Last one shot to Paltrow. Uy, binalik ko. Uy, dito pala yan. No good. Anong tawag? Isa pa. Isa pang chicken game.
May lasa ng Gatorade. Gatorade. Oo, papabigyan ka na yan.
Yun, thank you so much. Number 7. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 10. Jump shot. For 2. Inbound number 15.
Baka may Jollibee ah.
Pass number 14. Number 14, sumalaksak. Big shot. Jump shot. Foul. Foul pad.
Nakaka may high blood. Hindi ano, may chicken joy.
Number 15. First personal foul, second team foul.
Saan ba yan?
Okay, timeout.
Ano bang team to? Si number 44. Kakampi ni Iglesia.
Yun, happy viewing kay number 44 ng SCM team. No good. Rebound by number 14, Corsanes. Sinira, no good again. Corsanes again, no good again. Nakuha na ni number 16 ang bola, pass to number 21. Number 21. Number 21, dribble the ball. Pass to number 19. Pinasa kay number 15. No good. Still by number 21. Nakakuha ng foul. Oh, number 23. Payawal. First personal foul. Third team foul. Is brought to you by Catalyst. Siguradong walang magkakagaling sa Catalyst. No good. Last one shot to Padro. No good again. Rebound by number 15. Oh, pushing foul by number 18. 18. Second personal foul. Warning to penalty. Pass play to number 14, Gonzalez. Pass to number one shot, no good. Wobbling violation. Your 16 team ball. Tanga, alam mo, emergency. Inbound, number 1. Pass to number 23. Payawal, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 16. Pass to number 19. Still, pero nakuha ni number 15 ng TSLB. Foul. Number 23, Payawal. Second personal foul. Warning to penalty. Both team, parehas warning. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Substitution rep.
Substitution rep.
Okay, inbound by number 19, pass to number 18. Instead by number 15. Number 15, pass to number 6, Dignos. Tira, no good. Nakuha ni number 16 ang bola, pass to number 19. Number 19, pass to number 21. Naabutan pa rin ang bola. Number 21, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 13, pass to number 6. Oh! Pass na, still by number 19. Number 18, Simbulan. Sumalaksak na, nilayap, no good. Rebound by number 7, pass to number 15. Number 15, pinasa kay number 6. Number 6, oh, foul by number 15. Second personal foul, penalty. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Substitution rep.
Substitution rep.
Two shot. Last one shot. To fight for 1 point. No good. One number 16, Guerrero. Pass to number 14, Corsanes. Corsanes, sumalaksak. Jump shot. No good. Ako ni number 18 ng TSLB ATM. Ang bola. Number 18, binabala ang bola. Number 18, Agones. Umikot pa. Block by number 7. Pass break to number 14. Number 14, ay pasa. Nakuha ni number 19 ng TSLB. Number 19, sumalaksak, pero pinasa kay number 5. Number 5, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 7, pass break again kay number 6, Dignos. Dignos. Pass to number 14, Corsales. Take shot. Sinalaksak, pero pinasa kay number 6. Probably will make sure. Remaining time, last 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Score 22-20 in favor of TSLBE team. Keeping you win catch. Number 19, dribble the ball. Pass to number 21. Antipuesto. Jump shot. No good.
Kala ko, 22.
Amena. Outside.
Sab daw.
Substitution rep. TSLBE team ball. Inbound. Substitution rep. Pasok lang, yung gusto pumasok. Okay, inbound, number 19, pass to number 21. Number 21, binababa ng bola. Number 19, Simbulan, dribble the ball, pass to number 5, nabitawan ng bola, outside, pure 16, team ball. Inbound, number 7, pass to number 16. Number 16, dribble the ball. Number 16, sumalaksak. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 18 ang bola. Pass to number 3. Pass to number 7. Number 7, jump shot. No good. Outside, TSLB 18 ball. And thank you. Thank you. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 18, pass to number 2. Number 3, dribble the ball. Pass to number 16. Number 16, Guerrero. Hey, thank you so much.
Apat pa.
Pass to number 4. Oh, backhand!
Ayun o. Tayo ko lang eh. Dalawang baso.
Inbound, number 8. Pass to number 16. Pass to number 18. Number 18, jump shot. No good. Huwag pa rin ni number 16 ang bola. Guerrero, dribble the ball. Nakuha na ni number 21, jump shot. No good. Okay. Number 3, pass break to number 16. Number 16, oh. Tinamaan sa ilong, sa ano, no, sa pisngi. Correct. Tinamaan sa ilong, sa mata, sa pisngi, sa noo, sa... Number 19. Ayan. Kuha na kayo.
Ito nyo na.
Ayan. Wish at the ball ground. 1 point.
Oh, dagdagan lang siya. Dagdagan na.
Number 19. Still by number 3. Number 3. Going number 7. Pinira for 2 points. Yan, salamat po sa Gatorade. Kay number 44 ng SCM team. Outside, yours 15 points. Subdivision. Number 8, pass to number 11. Number 11, pass to number 7. Pinira, no good. Rebound by number 20. Remaining time, last 1 minute and 15 seconds. Score 22-24. Lamang na po ang Tier 16 team. Number 11, Subalaksak, jump shot, no good. Kuha ni number 5 ang bola pero nakuha ni number 8 ng Tier 16 team, jump shot, no good. Number 7, pass to number 8, Jason, jump shot, for 2. Last 50 seconds. Number 21, binababa ng bola. Last 42 seconds. Oh, kasama, Tier 16, team ball. Last 39 seconds.
39 seconds. 39 seconds.
Number 8, Jason, binaba ng bola. Pass to number 7, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 20, pass break to number 5. Oh, my gulay. Outside. Last 17 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Number 8, Jason, jump shot. For 2. The end of the second quarter. Halftime break now. Okay. All right. Next game ay susunod na. Okay, inbound number 3. Pass to number 18. Number 7, Chanira, no good. Rebound by number 20. Pass to number 19. Number 19, binaban ang bola. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 19. Number 19, sumalaksak. Chanira, no good. Rebound by number 7, Artes. Number 7, pass to number 11. Number 11, back to number 7. Pass to number 11, jump shot. For 3 points. Inbound, number 21, pass to number 19, back to number 21. Number 21, binaban ang bola. Pass to number 10. Number 10, delivering the ball. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 20. Back. Pass to number 10. Jumps it again for 2 points. Inbound number 18. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Pass to number 14. Number 14. Pass to number 18. Back to number 14. Corsanes. Sumalaksak. Pinasa kay number 11 ang bola. Blocked by number 19. Ang wala number 7. Foul. Who's fouled up? Number 21. First personal foul. First team foul. Team foul. Team foul. Team foul. Two shots to Pedro. No good. Last one shot to Pedro. One point. Inbound. Number 20, pass to number 11, number 14, Corsanes. Corsanes, pass to number 11. Number 11, jump shot. For 2. Inbound, number 19, pass to number 7. Number 7, binaban ang bola. Number 7, dribble the ball. Pass to number 19. Number 19, jump shot. No good. Outside. Final PSLB field. Pass to number 14. Number 14, binaban ang bola. Corsanes, dribble the ball. Pass to number 18, Datu on. Pass to number 7, Artes jump shot, no good. Only number 3 ang bola, number 16 team. Pass to number 7, jump shot again, no good again. Rebound by number 20. Ibigay number 18 ang bola, number 18, sunaksa, oh. Inbound. Number 18, Datu on. Pass to number 3. Number 3, dribble the ball. Pass to number 14. Pass to number 18, Datu on. Back to number 14, turn to shoot. Number 3, inangat. Pursue. Number 19, pinababa na ang bola. Simbulan. Simbulan, sumalaksak. Pure 16, team ball. Tumama sa leg. Inbound, number 11, pass to number 18. Number 18, pass to number 14. Number 14, dribble the ball. Pass to number 18. Number 18, pass to number 3. Alvarado. Pass to Corsanes. Pass to Artes. Artes, jump shot. No good. Nakakuha ng foul. Who's foul? Who's foul? Who's foul? Who's foul? Who's foul? Number 28. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Two shots to foul draw. No good. Last one shot. One point. Inbound, number 20, pass to number 18. Number 18, pass break to number 7. Number 7, back to number 18. Number 18, bitawan ng bola. Nakakuha ni number 3 ang bola ng first 16, pero naisil pa rin. Ni number 18, Algones. Algones, sumalaksak. Naiwanan ng bola. Nakuha pa rin ni Algones ang bola. Pinasa ka number 28, jump shot. For 2 points.
Stop down kaya.
Artes, pass break to number 14, Corsanes. Corsanes, block by number 20. Nakuha ni number 19. Binabangan ka na bola. Number 19, sumalaksak. Oh, foul. Number 3.
Time out daw, time out.
Time out. Your 16 team. Number 3. Ipinapaliwanag ko po sa inyo, both team, wala.
Nakapawi lang rin. Parang nakakalimit ang boto.
Inbound, number 19, pass to number 21, jump shot. No good. Your 16 team ball. Inbound, number 14, pass to number 16. Number 16, pass to number 15. Number 15, pass to number 7. Number 7, Artes. Back to number 15. Number 15, back to number 7. Artes, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 21 ang bola. Number 21.
Tangina, kanina pa lang dapat sinasin.
Outside. Inbound number 7, pass to number 16. Number 16, pass to number 15. Number 15, dribble the ball. Same! Inbound number 15, pass to number 16. Pass to number 8, Shasson, jump shot for 2 points. Number 21, dribble the ball. Pass to number 8, 15, jump shot for 3 points by number 15, Senator. Number 16, pass to number 7. Number 7, Artes. Pass to number 14, Corsanes. Sumalaksak, tinira for 2. Late. Number 21, binaba ng bola. Pass to number 20. Number 20, pass to number 7. Now step on down the line. Pure 16 team ball. Inbound number 8, pass to number 16. Number 16, pass to number 15. Number 15, pass to number 14. At the pick, outside, same ball. Inbound, number 15, pass to number 16. Number 16, pass to number 8. Number 8, pass to number 16. Number 16 sumalaksak pero pinasa ka number 8, take shot. Pass to number 7, jump shot. No good. Good. Still by number 15. Number 15, ang pure 16 team. Pass to number 14, Corsanes, take shot. Jump shot for 2. Galing.
Alam niya yung gagawin ng dalawa.
Binabano ang bola ni number 21. Number 21, pass to number 7. Dejaro, jump shot. For 3. Number 7, Dejaro. Rebound number 14, pass to number 8. Number 8, pass to number 14. Number 14, binabano ang bola. Pass to number 16, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 15 ang bola ng TSLB team. Remaining time, last 3 minutes and 8 seconds. Score 43-32 in favor of your 16 team. Number 15, take shot. Pass to number 21. Jump shot. For 2 points. Number 15. Pass to number 7. Number 7, sinilaksak, nilaya. Nakakuha ng foul. Who's foul at? Sino? Number 20. Second personal foul. Third team foul. One point. Wala sa tirang Patro. Last one shot to Patro. No good. Rebound by number 20, pass break to number 21. Oh, outside. Pair 16, team ball. Team ball. Inbound number 15, pass to number 16. Number 16, pass to number 8, Shasson, pass to number 14. Pass to number 16. Shit. Oh, nabitawan ang bola. Nawala number 15. Number 15. Dribble the ball. Jump shot. No good. Follow up. No good. Outside. Substitution rep. Last 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Score 44-24 in favor of your 16 team. Number 19, Simbula. No good. Rebound by number 13. Pass to number 16. Number 16 pass to number 14. Corsanes, jump shot, no good. Number 13 for 2 points. Inbound number 20, pass to number 21. Number 21, pass to number 7. Number 7, jump shot, no good. Number 16, pass break to number 14, Corsanes. Corsanes, pass to number 15. Number 15, Gorrao. Tinigay number 14 ang bola. Big shot, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 20, pass to number 7. Number 7, Tejaro. Pass to number 21, jump shot for 2. Inbound by number 8, pass to number 16. Number 16, dribble the ball. Number 16, sinalaksa, nilayap, no good. Rebound by number 15, pass to number 7. Number 7, pass to number, still by number 15. Number 15, number 16. Pass to number 14, Corsanes, take shot. Foul! Number 20, substitution rep. Number 20, third personal foul. Warning to penalty. Last 1 minute. 1 minute. No good. Last one shot to Paltrow. One point. Inbound, number 15, pass to number 19. Number 19, pass to number 21. Number 21, sumalaksa. Tinira. Foul. Number 8. First personal foul. Second, team foul. Team foul. Team foul. 1 point. Last one shot to Paltrow. No good. Number 21 again. Foul again. Number 13. First personal foul. 13 foul. He shot again. 1 point. Last one shot. One point again. Inbound, number 13. Pass to number 8. Number 8, Shasson. Shasson, dribble the ball. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni Shasson ang bola. Out. Nakuha pa rin. Number 13, pass to number 16. 6 to shoot. Jump shot. No good. Remaining time, last 20 seconds. Number 21, dribble the ball. Pass to number 7. Number 7, jump shot. No good. Pass to Ricky Gonzalez kay number 6, Pignos. Nakuha ni number 13, back to number 6. Number 6, Domingo O. Number 8, jump shot. For 2. Pass will be there. Okay. Inbound. Number 7, pass to number 18. Number 18, dribble the ball. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 21. Number 21, jump shot. For 2. Inbound, number 1, pass to number 11. Number 11, pass to number 1. Pass to number 7. Artes. Pass to number 11. Binigay kay number 3, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 18 ng bola. Pass play to number 7. Number 7, Dejaro for 2 points. Number 1, pass to number 3. Still, pero nakuha ni number 7 ng bola ng PSLB team. Nilayat, no good. Nakuha ni number 11. Number 11, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 3. Number 3. Pass play kay number 21. Pass to number 7. Dejaro for 2 points. Inbound. Timeout. Pierre. Ipinapaalala ko po na isa na lamang po ang timeout ng Pure 16 team. Pero ang TSLB team, meron pa po kayong dalawang timeout. Number 14, pass to number 8. Number 8, pass to number 7. Number 7, back to number 14. Nabitawan ako ni number 21 ng TSLB team. Number 21, dribble the ball. Number 21, pass to number 7. Dejaro jump shot. Foul, counted! Who's foul? Who's foul? Number 1. Number 1, first personal foul, first team foul. Subdivision rep. One shot to Paltrow. No good. Rebound by number 16, pass to number 7. Number 7, pass to number 8. It's still by number 18, Alzones. Alzones, sumalaksak, sinira, no good. Oh. Your 16 team ball. Foul number 10. Number 10, second personal foul. First team foul. Number 16, dribble ball. Pass to number 8. Number 8, pass to number 14. Corsanes, sumalaksak. Corsanes, nakakuha ng foul. Number 18. We'll be right back. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots to Paltrow. 1 point. One point again. Inbound number 16. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Binababa ang bola. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Is still by number 1. Pass to number 8. Number 8, pass to number 14. Corsanes. Sumalaksak. Nakuha ni number 1 ang bola. Inangat. No good. Nakuha ni number 10 ang TSLB team. Number 10. Dribble the ball. Number 10. I-dribble ang bola. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Binigay kay number 16. Back. Pass to number 21. Jump shot. No good. Still by number 7. Dejaro. Dejaro. Binaba na ang bola. Sinalaksak pero pinasa kay number 21. Jump shot. For 2. Remaining time, last 7 minutes. and 10 seconds. Score 51-49 in favor of Pure 16. Dalawa na lang ang lamang ng Pure 16. Number 14, Corsanes, stay shot. Sinira, nakakuha na naman ng foul. Who's foul? Number 16. Substitution, rep. Number 16, first personal foul. Third team foul. One point. Last one shot to Paltrow. One point again. Inbound number 18, pass to number 7. Number 7, dribble the ball. Pass to number 19, pass to number 10, jump shot. No good. Only number 16 ang bola. Is tailed by number 7, pass to number 8. Number 8, Shason. Shason, jump shot. No good. Nawala ni number 18 ang bola. Binaba na agad-agad. Number 18. Pass to number 7. 3 seconds. Violation. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Inbound number 6. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 16. Pass to number 6. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 8, 10. Pass to number 19. Number 19. Pass to number 5. Blocked by number 14. Number 5 again. Sinira. No good. Rebound by number 14. Foul. Makakuha pa ng foul. Number 5. First personal foul. Warning to penalty. Inbound. Number 8. Pass to number 6. Back to number 8. Shason. Shason. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 14. Corsanes. Corsanes. Sumalaksak. Nakakuha ng foul again. Number 19. One point. Last 5 minutes and 32 seconds. Score 54-49 in favor of your 16 team. 1 point again. 55-49. Number 10. Pinababa na ang bola. Pass to number 19. Outside. Your 16 team ball. Inbound number 14. Pass to number 16. Number 16 pass to number 7. Pass to number 14. Number 14 jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 20. Pass to number 19. 21. Number 21. Dribble the ball. Number 21. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 10. Back to number 21. Sumalaksak. Walang tawag ang referee. Pass break kay number 6. Number 6, Jigmer. Pass to number 16. Number 16, pass to number 7, Artes. Pass to number 8, 10 to shoot. Number 14, 6 to shoot. 3 to shoot. Traveling violation. TSOB team ball. Inbound, number 10, pass to number 7. Number 7, pass to number 21, jump shot. For 2. Inbound, number 8. Number 8, pass to number 16, pass to number 14. Number 14, sumalaksak, no good. Number 20, pass to number 7. Oh, technical. Number 14. First personal foul. Meron. 1 point. Substitution rep. Oh, tawag. Hindi na. Number 16 team ball. Inbound, number 14. Pass to number 8. Number 8, pass to number 16. Number 16, pass to number 7. Jump shot for 2. Number 7, binababa number 1. Number 7, shoot the ball. Sumalaksak, pero pinasa kay number 21. Jump shot. Foul, counted. Substitution rep. Who's foul? Number 3. Second team foul. Good shot. Number 3, Alvarado. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 7. It's number 7, Tejano. Pass to number 21, jump shot. No good. Rebound to number 7. Only number 19 ang bola ng TSLB team. Number 7. Number 7, jump shot. No good. Rebound to number 8, Shasson. Dribble the ball. Sumalaksak, pero pinasa ng number 3, Alvarado. Oh! Double dribble.
Tama lang.
Inbound. Number 7. Pass to number 19, back to number 7. Number 7, pass to number 19. Number 19, pass to number 21. Number 21, pass to number 20. Inangat. No good. Nakuha ni number 16 ang bola, number 16. Number 16, pass to number 8. Number 8, pass straight to number 14. Number 14, Corsanes. Tinira for 2 points. Inbound, number 20, pass to number 7. Oh, foul! Ang tawag ng referee. Who's for it? Ref, who's foul? Who's for it? Number 14, Corsanes. Second personal foul, third team foul. Number 15, Solis. Robbery violation. Inbound. Number 7. Pass to number 14. Pass to number 8. Back to number 7. Number 7. Pass to still the number 20. Pass break. Outside. Pure 16 team ball. Remaining time, last 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Score 59-54 in favor of Pure 16 team. Number 16, Guerrero. Pass to number 7, Artes. Number 3, no good. Number 18, nakakuha ng foul. Who's foul? Number 3. Number 3, third personal foul. Warning to penalty. Inbound, number 18, pass to number 16. Number 15, pass to number 7. Back to number 15. Back to number 7. Dejaro. Sumalaksak. Pinasa kay number 21. Jump shot. For 2 points. Last 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Number 14, Corsanes. Tinira na for 2 points. Number 7, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 4. Pure 16 team ball. Remaining time, that's 1 minute and 48 seconds. The score 61-58 in favor of Pure 16. Mamaya na yung pagkalo pag Number 7. Number 14 for 2 points. Timeout! PSLV team.
Naka-record naman yan, boss.
Huwag nang mabahala, may nagbabantay sa dilim.
Tama lang.
Tama lang yan, hindi naman kaya para lokohan kayo eh.
5 lang talaga.
Kahit magbilangan tayo rito.
Ulit lang mo tuloy yung mga, kaya natin technical. Isa pa yun, technical mo yun. Isa pa reklamo yun.
Kahit magmali yung nandito sa timer, tama naman yung nasa record. Kami po ang team 24 oras, walang kinikilingan, walang pinaprotektahan. At
Tama lang po yan.
Pito eh. Dapat pito.
tama
Kasi
lang.
nakadalawang sunod eh.
Bilangan mo.
Tama. Hindi, okay na. Sige. Okay na.
Tsaka nakalive pa yan. Kayo. Okay, back to the ball game. Di ako kumakain ng bigas. Inbound, number 7. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Sumalaksak. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 7. Foul. Number 21. Second personal foul. Penalty. Huwag ka na magpagandang lalaki pa kung gusto mo. Malapit-lapit ka na.
Barret? Barret, easy ah.
1 point. Last one shot to Paltrow. One point again. Inbound number 16, pass to number 7. Number 7, pass to number 20. Number 20, pass to number 21. Jump ball. Here 16, team ball. Inbound number 16, pass to number 8. Number 8, pass to number 3. Foul by number 19, Simbula. Second personal foul, penalty. Pwede na magpagandang lalaki pa, kapag na. Lapit ka na. No good. Pass to number 7. Tejado. Foul. By number 3. Number 3, ready to graduate. Penalty. Walang pinag-iba.
Kahit konting pati.
Yun ang namayalasa ng rice. Thank you so much. One point. No good. Nakuha ni number 7 ang bola. Arte. Binaba na ang bola. Number 7, pass to number 16. Number 16, pass to number 14. Number 14, Corsanes, inangat. No good. Rebound by number 20, pass to number 21. Number 21. Jump shot for 2 points. Remaining time, last 50 seconds. Foul by number 19 again. First personal foul, penalty. One point. No good. Rebound by number 20, pass break to number 2. Pinasa na mga nakampi ng Pure 16. Pure 16 team ball. Last 36 seconds. The score is 66-61. In favor of Pure 16. Foul. Number 19 again. Number 19, running to graduate, penalty.
Kahit konting pati.
Tignan ka rin ang buhay, walang kita.
Ang gagaling sa'yo.
Hanggang tanda kita. Habang ako'y papalayo.
Ang nabis silang lugar.
One point.
Kahit sa puso.
Number 21, binaba ng bola. Ang Tipuesto. Pass to number 7. Number 7, jump shot. No good. Only number 14. Number 14, pass to number 16. Pass to number 8. Foul. Number 16. Second personal foul. Penalty. Bola. Ano tandaan? No good. Last one shot to Paltrow. No good. Only number 20, pass to number 8. First 16 team, for 2. Number 19, binaba ng bola. Foul. I'm out. Your 16 team. Hindi.
Sino ba ulit?
3. Number 3. Number 3, Broadway. Penalty. Ipapaalam ko po, both team, parehas po kayong wala ng timeout. Okay, back to the ball game. No good. That's one shot. Good pass, bro. 1 point. Rebound, number 14, pass to number 8, pass to number 14. Foul. Who's foul? 19. Number 19, Broadway. One point. One point again. Number 10, excuse me, number 7. Wow, number 21. First personal foul. Penalty. Remaining time, we have 8 seconds. And 3 shots left. The score 72-62. Kaya pa yan. Number 10. Noted. And the winner is Pierre 1610. Best player? Best player of the night of the game. Number 14, Corsader.